What's the meaning of barn owl? Barn owl. Barn owl.
Barn owl. Barn owl. A barn owl is a species of owl, known for its distinctive heart-shaped face and stark white underbelly. This bird is typically found in open habitats, such as grasslands, farmlands, and marshes throughout much of the world. Barn owls are nocturnal predators, feeding primarily on small rodents like mice and voles. They have keen hearing and highly sensitive eyesight that allows them to locate prey in total darkness. Symbolically, the barn owl has been associated with wisdom, mystery, and intuition, appearing in ancient mythology and folklore. Today, it remains a beloved creature, revered for its beauty and grace in the natural world.